Hi lovelies, welcome back. It's Zimma here. Today's video is going to be about an amazing oil that can help solve all your natural hair problems. This oil will help reverse premature gray, grow new hair on bald spots, and at the same time make your hair super thick. The magic ingredient we need is Nigella sativa, aka black cumin seeds, aka kalonji. This is a popular spice in India. Besides its cuisine properties, kalonji is loaded with extraordinary medicinal properties. It has proteins, vitamin B1, B2, vitamin B3, folic acid, calcium, iron, copper, zinc, phosphorus, to name but a few. Kalonji has been used in India in ancient times to cure baldness, grow new hair, and recover premature gray. The next ingredient is fenugreek. Fenugreek seeds, also known as methi. It has miraculous hair properties. It has nicotinic acid. Aside other multiple nutrients, it helps control hair loss, hair thinning, and grow new hair. You can order all these seeds I mentioned on my Instagram page at Fuller Hair. Just send me a DM and I will make sure I make it available to you. Worldwide shipping is also available. Please patronize your girl. The next ingredient is olive oil, worth 250 ml. Olive oil has so many benefits for hair growth, which I will share with you shortly. So to begin, I already have my fenugreek seeds blended, and next I will be blending some of the black seeds. I will go ahead and scoop out 3 tablespoons into my dry mill blender. Make sure that there is no form of moisture in the blender because it will affect the shelf life of the oil. I will go ahead and couple the blender and grind to a smooth powder. So this is what the seeds looks like after blending. Go ahead and transfer the powder to a clean bowl. Next, add 3 tablespoons of fenugreek powder to the bowl and mix properly to combine. Next, get a clean jar for storage. Here are some of the benefits of olive oil for your hair. It stimulates hair growth, increases the anagen phase, prevents hair loss, works as a deep conditioner, adds shine to your hair, helps with frizzy hair, reduces split ends, helps with frizzy hair, reduces dandruff, calms down itchy scalp. Transfer the oil in the glass container. Please do not use metal or plastic container for this process because they will react with the oil. Next, transfer the powder into the oil. Next, mix all the ingredients properly to combine. This oil appears dark. Next, pour some hot water in a bowl and place the glass bottle in the hot water. The reason for this process is to infuse the oil without burning the nutrients inside. Please stir the mixture continuously until you notice that the water is cool before taking it out. Before taking it out of the water bath. So the next process is to place the bottle under the direct sunlight. Leave it under the sun for 10 days. This is just to infuse the oil even more and also for best results. For the purpose of this video, I will show you what the oil looks like on day 1 and then I continue my infusion. This is what the oil looks like on day 1. I will go ahead and pour it in a clear glass so that you can see. For usage, pour as needed in an applicator bottle and use to massage your scalp, pre-poo, hot oil treatments, and to seal in moisture. If kept away from moisture and impurities, this oil will last for a year without getting bad. This oil is safe and has no side effects, so feel free to use it as you like. Use this oil every day for 6 weeks to see amazing results. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up and share with friends. Thanks for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.